Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shortcut Drive in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Docs app, and here it opens up in the Drive Files menu. From here we just have to find the document that we want to make accessible from Drive as well. I mean to have a shortcut there. Then tap on the three dots next to its name, then scroll down, then tap on add shortcut to Drive here, like this, and then we can select where we want to add this shortcut to, either to Start, Shared with Me, Computers, or My Drive. Say it's My Drive, and then you're going to be redirected to your Drive, and then tap on Add, or you can create a new folder for that document. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.